Introduction to integers. Integers is a whole number that can be a positive, negative, or 0. In a number line, we can see that 0 is in the middle. Now, on the right side of 0 are positive numbers going to positive infinity. On its left side are negative numbers going to negative infinity. We can see the real-life examples of integers in this picture. So, the sea level can be represented by 0. Then if this plane is 5,000 feet above the sea level, this can be represented by positive 500. Then let's say this submarine submerged 1,200 feet below sea level, this can be represented by negative 1,200. So we can also see this in a building. So the ground, let's say if this is the ground, there are some buildings or big hospitals wherein they have a basement for their car park. So let's say we have basement 1, basement 2. Then the next floor is the first floor, second floor, and so on and so forth. So this ground, this can be represented by 0. Then basement 1 can be represented by negative 1. Basement 2 is negative 2. First floor is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, to positive 4, etc. So these are some situations wherein integers can be applied. So let's say the temperature is 10 degrees below 0. So this can be represented in integers by negative 10. It is negative 10 because of the word below. Let's say in a scoreboard, in a games, for example, so let's say there's an increase of 5 points. So because of the word increase, the representation is positive 5 or simply 5. If a non-zero number doesn't have a sign, so that is considered positive. So, for example, there's a man walking 3 steps backward. So this can be represented by negative 3. Why is it negative? Because of the word backward. And this situation have opposites. So the opposite of 10 degrees below 0, so the opposite of below is above. So that is 10 degrees above 0. And of course, its representation in integers, that is positive 10. So that's the opposite of negative 10. The opposite situation of increase of 5 points. So the opposite of increase is decrease of 5 points. Its integer representation is negative 5. And lastly, the opposite situation of 3 steps backward is 3 steps forward. And its representation in integers is positive 3.